Now I know you must be thinking, what can I share with you today that'll make your day and make you feel a little better with the bloodbath we have seen in the stock market? You name the stock from Tesla, Amazon, Netflix, or any other big company name, and they all are being punished. And let's not even go to fintechs, Sofi, Upstart, let's just forget these new banks and look at even all the traditional banks. Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, they all are down big time. So in times like these, we need to cut through the negative news and look at few positive things to keep our investors' hat on and stop thinking like a day trader. Because if you are a day trader, then you would have taken profits on Sofi many times. And if you are an investor, then you are interested to see the bigger picture, and that's what we are going to do today. So in this video, I have lots of information and some of it is new and interesting. So give me a thumbs up so this video can reach out to more Sofi lovers, and consider subscribing. And if you like to talk about this stuff and much more, then consider joining our Patreon. Links is in the description below. So let me start this video by going into industry as a whole. So the fintech industry as a whole has given us negative 18% return for the year. And take a look at the image that I'm about to show you, which is basically going to show you all the winners and losers of fintech industry or for finance industry. So over here, fintech payments and custom industry is basically down about 18.32%. You can see yes. Okay. Along with that, these are the top three names, and you're going to laugh. Look at this. Number one, Affirm, 118.86% return for the year. Number two, Sofi, 22.16%. Again, the percentage is when the stock price or what the stock price is that day. So this could still fluctuate, but still Sofi is in the green. And then Coinbase Global is at about 6.26%. So pay attention, all other payment processors or fintechs you want to call it, MasterCard, Visa, FinServ, Square, Western Union, PayPal, you name it, Fidelity, Robinhood, you name it, they all are down big time. Everybody is in red. It's not only just Sofi. And that's why I wanted to bring it here. And the whole point for me to show this image is not to compare the returns, but to actually show you that the whole sector is being punished. So don't just pick one stock and say this is a horrible investment. Even Affirm, I mean, I was up almost 60% in Affirm. I'm down to like maybe 10% gain in Affirm when the stock dropped to like $96. Really scary to see where it was and where it has come. Next, let me share some more information. So digital cash is what these companies thrive on, or what their business is. So analysts are estimating that 2022 will be the year where digital payment industry can grow 20% or more. So they're betting PayPal and Square are the best to take advantage of this growth. And if you belong to our Patreon, then you know we have position in both of them. But this is where I think Sofi is going to win big as well. And let me explain. So this is the worldwide growth, and I'm going to actually explain this graph a little bit so we all know what we are looking at here. So this is cash. So the yellow or the light yellow and the really light yellow is the cash in 2019, 2020, and 2024 estimated over here. Then we have e-wallet, which is digital money, which is Sofi, PayPal, Square, and this is 2019, then 2020, and then the lightest one is 2024 estimated. Take a shift or take a look at this shift over here. So worldwide in 2019, cash was almost used by 30%. And then as you can see in 2020, the adoption of cash decreased to 21%. And then in 2024, they're saying roughly about 12% people will be using cash worldwide. Where if you see on the opposite side, the e-wallet or the e-payments or the digital money is continue to go up. This is North America. Look at North America. In North America, people were already using less cash, as you can see, 11%, and it's going to even further down. And the digital payment industry is going to continue to go up. But look at Asia. Asia is really, really key over here. Now, still about 30% people use cash, but it's going to go down. And as we get into 2024, look at all this graph going up. This is a massive increase or massive adoption of digital money or e-wallet. Then Europe, then Middle East. Look at Middle East, 53% people use cash in 2020. And then now in 2024, they're still estimating a lot. But there is a growth, I would say, in Middle East and Africa for the people using digital money. It's really crazy. Latin America, look at this, the highest use of cash in Latin America. But look, it's coming down to almost 25 level, which is huge because right now it's close to about 55 level. So it's going to come down 50% and digital money is going to increase. SoFi has their foothold in Asia. In Hong Kong, they have the service, and we know that they're expanding in Mexico as well. So this is really exciting to see. Asia Pacific, where we are going to see a huge growth in the coming years, SoFi has a foothold. And then Latin America, where the cash is the king right now, they are putting their foothold, or they're starting to build the services there. That's why I said that SoFi is going to win big as well in this transition from cash to digital payment. Now, let me read a statement that'll put all of this in perspective for us investors. This is from a recent research done by an analyst on SoFi, right here. So, with so many fintech investing to be the one-stop super app for all financial and spending activity, 2022 may be the year when actual consumer demand becomes clearer. PayPal, Venmo, Block's Cash App, and neobank SoFi lead in adoption and use and appear more likely to be the partners of choice among 30 app providers we monitor. This came out on December 9th. So this is really new, this research. This is really interesting because now what they're doing is they are putting together these big companies, PayPal, Venmo, Block or Square, and the neobank SoFi as together, these are the companies that's going to lead. And the full credit goes to the team of SoFi because they saw this adoption right here that, you know what, we need to be in Asia and we need to be in Latin America. This is really interesting stuff that we are seeing here and we are reading here. So again, please remember to give me a thumbs up so this video can reach out to more investors because I think this is really good information that we have in front of us. So SoFi is taking the right direction and also planting the right seeds in the right market where we could see the company thrive on the user growth. And recently, one of our Patreon members shared that they have uploaded new options training video on their YouTube channel. I've not had time to check it out, but looks like they will also be starting options trading soon, which will really help drive more users to their platform in North America. Let me know in the comments below if any of you have any update on that. Hope I was able to provide you some value, and if you like the video, then click on the button and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And for one-on-one conversation, consider joining our Patreon. Link is in the description below. As always, an absolute pleasure to share all of this with you, and it's really awesome. As soon as I get this information, I get excited because I want to share with the like-minded people, which I know if you're watching this video, you are. Until next time, you all have a sparkling day.